Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and creamy salad that's perfect for any occasion. Here's what you'll need. Your favorite greens. 1. Cherry tomatoes. 2. Sliced cucumbers. 3. Red onion. 4. Avocado. 5. Feta cheese. For the dressing, we're going to make a simple and creamy vinaigrette using 1. Olive oil. 2. White wine vinegar. 3. Dijon mustard. 4. Garlic. 5. Salt. 6. Pepper. 7. A touch of honey. 8. And some plain Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. Just whisk everything together and pour it over your salad. Mix it up well, and you're ready to enjoy a delicious and healthy salad that's sure to please. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this.